Welcome to Inigo's channel.
Hi everyone. So we have a volcano box here. And I just opened it because I'm too excited. So I'm gonna start right now. So first, we take our ice to a shade of glasses. See, it will put our ice and look at it. Let's try. Now let's open this. So we are gonna get spoon and we're gonna put this thing over here. Let's open one. What's that?
Shake. Shaking.
Hey, why did it get shaky? Now, next, we are gonna follow right now.
Yan.
A little bit forward.
Wow! Wow!
Wow! Oh, we just crushed. I'm making the water judge. Oh, I can see that. Oh! Wow. What's inside? I think there's some shit going. It's just flowing.
Careful.
Yes, Mommy. Whoa! So cool.
Wow!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. I look up. So, this is my baby. Wow. Wow. Whoa, we just get splashed. Hi. I can hear this. Ah!
Wow.
What? I've never been happy than ever. See this lava? Oh yeah. Lava did some glass.
No.
Oh, I can see blood. Is it floating in the lava? You know how lovely.
What is lava?
Oh, it's on fire because it's red. It's ice goes down the lava. Fire. It's just good melting. It's already lava. It's hot.
What?
It's on fire. Wow. Oh, I just have more water. That's science. Yes, Daddy. Look.
Whoa!
Is it cool?
Yeah.
Want to try? Try.
Let's watch Kuya do it.
Wow. Wow. Where's the rock coming? Where's the rock coming out? Volcano is a fire asteroid. Where's Mom? Have you seen a fire asteroid? It's green.
No!
like dark eyeshadow. And then I got the volcano. What we must amplify to get to my mouth. It's flowing here from the paper. Whoa.
Wow!
Whoa. I can't believe it. Now, can you put the from the volcano starting one?
Ah.
Oh. Well, look, guys, it's already melting like water.
Oh.
Now it's flowing. Oh no, it's getting here. Ah!
You're gonna clean that one.
For 10 months. It's just great. That's great. First of all. Wow. Whoa. Okay, flowing from there. It's red, right? It's not.
Zach wants to try.
Now this injection ko yan.
Give him some water, man. Wow.
Can you give me some water? Like, I don't want to. I'll get some water naman. And look, guys, just look on the paper. And my babies didn't put water.
Give him some water, na. Let him try.
Zach, you have to, ganyan.
You let him try
Oh
na.
my gosh, you want it to go to your face so easy.
Give him some water na, please.
There's no God water. It's just, can you hear the sound? Guys, can you hear the... Is it done? I'm scared. How can I vlog in the vlog? Now I just have to put the water.
So what's the pink powder?
Huh? Wait, where's the lava gonna flow? Lava flow. I think it's still loading. Just have to
Loading.
do it. Maybe this is just more red.
Ooh. Look.
Okay, we just have to stir it now. Ah. Need it in time. Okay, now we just have to put water and maybe upload in the where is the lava gonna flow? Matagal lagi yung daw mag-upload. Maybe it's already melting. It just gets cooler. Wow. Wow.
What's that, Zach?
It's color. Where's the uploading?
Oh no!
Okay, that's okay. Where is it? When is it gonna flow? Oh, it's flowing.
No more na.
I think it's tired already.
Yeah. Let's try it again.
Next time.
So how's the experience?
It's great for sure. I just have to find one when I finish shopping. Okay.
No, Zach.
What's the chain? Oh, yeah, God. I think I need more water so I can go up.
It's Zach's turn. Zach!
Zach, you're done.
Wow!
Okay, sorry, Mom.
Oh, it's still working kay Zach na ko. Wow! Oh! Wow!
Hi! Hi guys, we're back again. Again! It's so good. Hi guys.
Welcome
Again.
Hi guys! Did you read that? Amazing, Zachary.
It's
Sige,
hard
sige,
to
sige.
take it out agad.
Wow!
Still. Man, can you get it na fall?
Wait lang, nice na video ko.
Nice yung video record.
Oh.
Cold!
It's cold.
Yeah. Mama, sige na mama. It's gonna flow. Give me water pa. Yeah. Hi! What are you?